Here we have for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate. This is our Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 280 model, which means it's got a 2.8 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. And this is a short wheelbase or L1 Limited panel van with a 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. What we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through what makes this van one of our signature styled Ford Transit Customs. We'll also talk you through what we've done to this van mechanically during preparation, and also have a really in-detailed look at the condition, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are two doors which open in that sort of fashion. Now, our signature styling package includes a number of different elements on the van. Starting here at the top, you can see it's got this nice gloss black rear spoiler there. You can also see then it's got the nice carbon rear bumper protector, and then it's got this full low-line aero kit, which includes the rear splitter just here, the side skirts, also the front splitter and the front canards, which we'll come around to when we go around to the front, and of course the wheels as well, and then also the roof bars. Having a look here at the back of the spec that you get on a Limited, so you get a number of elements which come colour-coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, mirrors, all come colour-coded in the body colour, which in this case is metallic magnetic grey. You can also see you get a reversing camera as standard on the Limited, so it's really nice they've included that on the new shape Custom as standard. You also get rear parking sensors there as well. In terms of condition, it's in absolutely stunning order here at the back. There's no real issues at all. There's nothing I can see to even point out any little, there's a tiny little mark just there which has just been neatly touched in during preparation, but otherwise it's all looking very clean and tidy indeed. You'll notice on the door handles these little dimples here, and that tells us that we have got keyless entry, and the van has also got keyless start as well. So if we open up the rear doors, so the doors on the back of these, they're on a sort of a two-stage hinge, so they will just hold in place there like that at 90 degrees, but with a good firm push you could open the door right out to its full 180 degree position. Of course you can do exactly the same with the other door as well. Inside the back of here then, you can see that this van has had brand new ply lining. Now we do this on the vast majority of panel vans which come into stock with us for two reasons. One, to obviously make them look better. It looks more aesthetically pleasing when you've got nice fresh ply lining that's all lovely and siliconed in around the outside. But of course the other reason for it is that it is there to protect the vehicle. So if you've got cargo moving around in the back of here, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in the side of your van. This is the correct placement of the toolkit, which tells us that this one has got a spare wheel, otherwise it wouldn't have the toolkit just there. And to the roof then you get the LED load lights there, and there's also two further LED lights which are operated on this little switch back there as well. So but looking at the condition here, the plastic floor is all in really good order. Same with the bulkhead. The bulkhead is basically spotless, and you've got the little load through hatch. I say little, it's got a good size load through hatch there, so you can load through underneath the passenger seats. But paying close attention here to the exposed painted areas, you can just see how clean and tidy this is here. It's looking very, very smart indeed. We'll shut the doors then and we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So having a look here down the passenger side, you can just see how clean and tidy this is in the reflections down the side of the van. To me, this all looks absolutely original. There's no signs here that this has had any previous paintwork. From what I can see, this all looks absolutely true and straight. There's not even a pin dent, to be honest with you. I can point out there. It's looking really very smart. Of course, our guys do a lovely job when it comes to fully detailing the van. This would have all been machine polished and everything. It's as smooth as silk. They do a lovely job of that as always. Opening up the side loading door then, having a look inside here, this gives us another aspect of the load space from this angle, and again the step, the floor, closer look at this bulkhead, you can just see the condition there. Opening up the passenger door, then this just gives us the first look inside the cab. So again, looking at the condition here of the door card there, the step, the floor, the passenger seats, all in stunning order, it must be said, as I guess as you'd expect really with the mileage that is on this van. You can flip these passenger seats up, which gives you access then to the extra storage under here, and this is where, when you load through that load hatch, this is where your items come into this area here. We always put an extra wheel brace in there because when we fit the aftermarket wheels, the wheel nuts are a slightly different size from the wheel brace that comes in the standard pack, so we put an extra wheel brace in there so you won't get stuck. You've got the Nice little fold-down work tray, and we'll come around to a bit more of the spec when we go around to the driver's side in just a second. Of course, you get two glove boxes on these. There's a lower and an upper glove box. Looking at the passenger mirror there, that's all looking very good. But on the side profile of the van, as I say, you do get a set of roof bars as part of our signature styling package, and then as you can see, the nice gloss black side skirt there. And on this van, this has got the 20-inch Paradox alloy wheels. These have been a seriously popular alloy wheel on the Transit Customs for a number of years now, and they just look so nice. I think they really tie in very well with the rest of the styling on the van. Of course, we're fully load rated with load rated tyres. And then around to the front then, some more upgrades as part of our signature styling package, and that is the gloss black honeycomb grille, which you can see there, which I think is a really nice sort of OEM plus upgrade. You've got the nice gloss black canards, and then also the lower front splitter, which you can see there. You can also see, while we're down here, we can also see that you've got the front parking sensors just there. And in terms of condition, I mean, there's barely a stone chip on this. There's one there, but barely a stone. You know, you usually see a sort of, I'm usually describing these as a peppering of stone chips. This is barely one or two on here. It's looking very clean and tidy. A couple of little stone chips just there. Very nice indeed for a 24 plate van. This is exceptional condition. We actually bought this directly, as we do a lot of our vans, bought this directly from the previous owner. Really nice chap, and clearly had well looked after it. And as you can see here, just how clean and straight that is down the side. Again, to my eyes, all absolutely original paintwork, which is of course always nice to see. Inside here then, got the plastic step, the floor. The driver's seat is in very good order. You've got height adjustment here of the driver's seat, and of course you've got the adjustable armrest just there as well. But yeah, lovely condition here. It's all looking very nice. The vehicle is supplied, of course, with two remote keys, and as I say, you can have these just in your pocket. Walk up to the door, pull on the handle, and you can unlock the van. And then once you're in, put your foot on the clutch and press the start button there, and you've started the van. And as I say, you've got to have obviously the keys on you to do so, but it just feels like a very modern van when you're using it day to day. Electric windows, electric folding mirrors, and that's how those operate just there. You've also then got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers. On the left-hand side then, you've got your cruise control and your speed limiter controls just there. And then underneath then, you've got your volume for the radio. On the right-hand side then, your onboard computer controls just there as well. 12,175 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that. On the dashboard, you get this nice digital dashboard as well on the U-shaped Custom, which is really smart. And then into the center then, you've got this over 11-inch display screen here in the center, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So it's a big jump forward with that. And just the infotainment system is so nice to use with your DAB radio there. On the left-hand side and the right-hand side then, you've got your heated seat controls. You've got your automatic sort of climate control, so you can set a temperature and it will automatically get to that temperature for you. You've got heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, and also the air conditioning toggle on and off there. When you put the vehicle into reverse, that is where you've got your reversing camera displayed there as well. These buttons down here, this controls your driver assistance. You've got your drive modes there. This is to do with your parking sensors, and you've also got then your heated, well, it's basically a max heat on the windscreen, so it turns all the blowers on hot and onto the windscreen. Electric handbrake just there, and then down to the side then you've got your nice little flip out handbrake, and then down below here you've got a USB and a USB-C and a little 12-volt socket just under there, and a bit of extra storage as well. So that's running through all of the controls inside there. Now, during our preparation, so I say it's only on 12,000 miles, but Bridgend Van Care have gone right through this vehicle and given it a full service. And when I say full service, that is all of the filters. So, of course, the oil and the oil filter, but the air filter, the pollen filter, and the fuel filter have all been changed as part of that full service that has been done. So I'm pleased to say it has got a clean bill of health and is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. You have got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until March of 2027, because it was registered in March of 2024. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can deliver our vans nationwide as well. So if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, we can have this van delivered directly to your door. and we can also arrange funding at very competitive rates as well. So if you're a private individual or a limited company or sole trader, we can arrange funding for you, of course, subject to acceptance and status. Rates at the time of recording are starting as low as 9.9% APR. So by all means, get in contact if you have any queries about funding or would like a quote. We can arrange that for you. Head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price and description of the photography of this van and, of course, all the others that we have currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.